guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the January month's GLAMEGO box, which is supposed to be the first box of 2019. So yeah, so this is how the box actually looks. We're going to be unboxing and see what all products we have. Even then, I know what the products are. I don't usually get a GLAMEGO box, but then the products in this month's box look commendable, so that's the reason I got my hands on this. So I'm going to show you, and if you think that it's worth buying, you can go ahead and get it. I thought it is worth buying this month. So yeah, without any further ado, let me just get started with the unboxing of this month's GLAMEGO box. And before we go ahead, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you're subscribed and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And now without any further ado, let's just get started. So as I told you already, this is how, okay, this is how the box actually looks. It's a magnetic sort of opening box. Once you open the box, you see all the products in there with the info card along with it. So the info card reads get rupees 2019 and give rupees 2019. So I think this is something like a competition or a contest going on. So you have to tag your friend and tell us why she is so special to you. So that's what it says, and you can go ahead and purchase the box from their website, which is www.glamego.com, if you guys don't know. And they have an Insta page, Insta handle. If you would want to follow them there, you can go ahead and follow them there as well. And also the pricing differs according to the month you purchase. If you're like getting it for 3 months, then there's a different pricing. If it is for 6 months, there is a different pricing. And if it is annual, then it's a different pricing. So they say it's for 199 actually, but I'll leave the link of those things and details in the description box for you guys to check out. So make sure you check the description box without fail. So I think it's enough blabbering and enough of information told. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what we have in the box. So I think the start product of this month's box is gonna be this Bella Wost high definition foundation. So this is how it is. So I really don't know if you have to call it Bella Oste or Bella Ost. So if it is however it is, you can have it like according to you. I don't mind. So this is how the outer packaging looks, all classy. So it reads hydrating, filling, enhancing with hyaluronic acid. It's formulated in Italy, and you get 30 ml of product, which actually retails for rupees 699. So I am in the shade 03 Malibu Dune. I don't really know how do you read it. So this is the darkest shade that was available. There are only 3 shades in the range, at least on the website, to choose on. You get to choose the shade for yourself. So this is how the inner packaging looks. It looks nice. So the shade is also mentioned. I actually opened it and saw how the shade looks, because even because there were only 3 shades available, and if it is only 3 shades, all are going to be on the fairer side, so you don't get to get the darkest shade. So I was like little concerned about it, but it was like okay-ish. This would definitely get settled on your skin. So if you're like, this doesn't go well for people who are like, you know, darker than me, but people with my shade would definitely go for this. And this exactly smells like the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation ka smell. So this also has hyaluronic acid. Maybe because of that it smells similar. So that's the first product that we have, and I would say this is the start product, but I thought, why not? And then the next product which I was like, you know, looking forward to was this one, which is the Health Wit Activated Charcoal Purifying Peel Off Mask. So this is a 50-gram pack. This is for unisex, okay? So anybody in your home can use this. This is a peel off mask. It says it revitalizes skin, and this one retails for rupees 350. I'm looking forward for this, and I would have a review on this on my Instagram. So if you are not following me on Instagram, why are you waiting? Go ahead and follow me there. I'm so much uh, active actually. Yeah, sort of. Okay, so this is the second product, so I'm gonna have a special review on this product, and also the foundation also goes for a review. Why not? So, and then the next product that you have is the Sisa or Sesa Ayurvedic hair oil. So this is 100% herbal plus no mineral, no chemicals. But why would a hair oil have all of this? I wonder, maybe. I'm not really sure. So this is a 100 ml pack for which it retails for 130 rupees. So this is how it looks. It smells uh, heavy, like the fragrance is strong. I think if you apply it on your hair, it's gonna be like smelly all over the day, all through the day. So this is processed by Ayurvedic Kishore. Okay, something. Okay, so this is how the inner package looks. This quite compact pack. This fragrance is so heavy. If you are not a fragrance person, then this wouldn't be your choice. So yeah, this is, I think this is made in India. Yeah, this is made in India, which is a good thing. So that's the third product of this month's box. And the last product is these two luxurious body lotion from Palmer's. So Palmer's coconut oil formula. This is the coconut oil body lotion. I really love how they have put their effort on like giving a luxurious sample, because I am a person who travel a lot, so I tend to forget applying my body lotion. But this one would be really handy. I can just put it on inside my bag, so that whenever I see my hands are so dry, I can go ahead and apply this. So this sort is really nice, and I appreciate giving body lotion in samples. I really appreciate it. So this is that. Okay, so this is a sample pack and you get 11 ml. So 11 plus 11 is 22, if I'm not wrong. So 22 ml of the product is what you get. So that's the last product for this month's GLAMEGO box. I really loved all the products in there. I'm definitely gonna use all of them on a daily basis, at least a weekly basis. So I think this month's box is worth the buy. If you haven't got your hands on it, then go ahead and get it, if only if you like the products. I really loved it. So I saw two other YouTubers talking about it, so that is when I thought it's a good deal, go ahead and get it. So yeah, if you would want to see more sorry, if you would want to see more such unboxing of subscription boxes, do let me know in the comments, because I'm not a subscription box person, but I have started getting subscription boxes. So if you would want to see that, then please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys with another video very soon. So till then, take care, bye.